There are lots of things you can do differently to get better at PowerPoint, but the number one easiest and biggest impact switch to make is to start using descriptive slide titles. No more titles like status update. Instead, switch to something that says the main message you're trying to get across. Imagine this scenario. You're presenting to a senior executive and you have the choice between two slide titles. One is status update, Q1 sales, and the other is product 1 sales lags Q1 expectations due to competitive pressures. After that meeting, which one do you think the senior executive is more likely to remember the conclusion to? Which one do you think they're more likely to misinterpret? Perhaps most importantly, which one stands on its own when that senior executive hands out copies to their peers when they ask about Q1 product 1 sales? That's why descriptive slide titles are so important. It ensures that your message gets across and is not misinterpreted, and it also makes sure that the slides stand on your own when you're not in the room presenting them.